Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Following its suspension last year, athletes and para-athletes preparing for the Tokyo Games will once again receive government assistance. That was one of the matters addressed by Sports Minister Olivia Grange as she addressed Parliament's Standing Finance Committee on Thursday. Karen Madden reports.
When Tokyo 2020 organizers under the Japanese government announced the postponement of the Games from last summer due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Jamaican government suspended its athlete assistance program. The program had been put in place to assist athletes preparing for the Olympic and the Paralympic Games. As it now stands, the Games are scheduled for this summer, and the Sports Minister Olivia Grange told Parliament's Standing Finance Committee on Thursday athletes and the para-athletes can look forward to government support.
Madam Chair, it is now clear to us that the Olympic and Paralympic Games will be proceeding as planned, even as the organizers institute countermeasures to prevent transmission of the virus. So we have decided to resume the program to the tune of $45 million, providing funding to 120 athletes for 18 weeks at $20,000 per week. And this will be channeled through the Institute of Sports.
Meanwhile, subventions are also in place in the budget this fiscal year for the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, JADCO, and the Sports Development Foundation, SDF.
JADCO commissioned into service a mobile testing unit, which has been fully operational since September 2020, and this will assist significantly with the implementation of the JADCO testing plan during the pandemic. For the Sports Development Foundation, infrastructure projects account for $199.441 million of the budgeted expenditure, while $183.176 million is expected to provide support to the national sport associations and federations.
The track at the Montego Bay Sports Complex is also earmarked for resurfacing to the tune of $260 million, while the track at the National Stadium, where resurfacing has already been completed, is awaiting inspection from a team from World Athletics to be certified as a Class 1 facility. The budget for fiscal year 2021-2022 for the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport is a little over $3.9 billion, down from the $4.15 billion allocated in the last fiscal year. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.